Do you sell on TikTok Shop with Shopify, but you're not seeing the level of success that you know you should be? Or perhaps you even have a Shopify store, but you're running ads on TikTok, Facebook, or Google, and it seems like whatever you do, you can't consistently get sales. The issue might be your prices. Depending on what specific products you're trying to sell, there's usually dozens or even sometimes hundreds of other sellers out there selling the same exact products to that same exact customer base that you are. And while that can be considered a good thing from time to time because it could be an indicator that it's working for some people and there's sales to be had there, it also means that your products, your prices, and your customer attention could be oversaturated as well. So how do you stand out above the competition and make sure that your store is the one that gets the sale when the customer's ready to pull out their credit card? Good videos that demonstrate how the product solves a problem? Yeah. Good storytelling that paints a picture of the customer using the product themselves? Yes, but also pricing. If you're trying to sell products without a smart repricer, you're competing with one hand tied behind your back. E-com is a phenomenal opportunity, but it's also more saturated now than ever before because of that. So let's say hypothetically, a potential customer is getting suggested different offers for a dog toy, and they've already seen 4 products that are pretty much the same thing selling at $25 to $35 roughly. And then your offer comes in at $45. What do you think the odds are that they'll go with you? Probably pretty low, right? Now, that's not to say that you're always competing on price. You're of course not, but it's certainly a major factor. You can have the best copy in the world on your ad or in your video. You can have the best angle and storytelling in the world, but if your product is grossly overpriced compared to the competition, you're still going to struggle to make consistent sales. Or let's say that your product is underpriced. Then you're leaving profit on the table with every single sale, and what's worse is you don't even realize it. Did you know that businesses can lose over 35% of potential sales due to inefficient pricing? That's where dynamic pricing comes in, and exactly why you can't afford to simply keep your prices static at the same price anymore. I stumbled upon a tool that is the perfect solution for this. It's called Priya.ai, and it connects automatically to your Shopify store and reprices your products for you without you having to do anything. It looks at millions of different data points to constantly make sure that your prices are the best that they can be by specifically looking at things like obviously your competition's prices, current consumer behavior, market demand for that product in that category, and a number of other important touch points that indicate the best pricing for each product specifically in order to maximize sales and profit for you. And that means that you can stop worrying about all your competitors and what they're doing, what their prices are at, what their ad angles at. You can simply focus on crafting your next TikTok video to draw customers in because Priya is working tirelessly to ensure that your prices are competitive. And the best part is it's absolutely free to try if you have a Shopify store with a pay-as-you-go model that's very budget friendly. Now, you can sign up risk-free like I said, and in your dashboard, it'll show you real-time learning status for each one of your products and their prices. It's intuitive as well, like I said, and it shows you all the historical data that it's analyzing, so you know that it's not just setting your prices, it's optimizing them over time. So if you're drop shipping on TikTok Shop using a Shopify store and you want to stay ahead of the competition, give this software a shot. Transform your pricing strategy from guesswork and hope to science, and you can try it, like I said, completely free through the link in the description. A smart repricer is a must for every e-commerce business, no matter where you're selling, be it TikTok Shop, any place with Shopify, Amazon, it does not matter. It's a no-brainer. And this is the best one that I found for Shopify stores, so I hope it helps.